Hello, hello. How you doing? I know it's early, and we got this guy over here. No. Always got to be the center of attention, don't ya? Don't ya? You need to stop. So how y'all doing this morning? My name is Paula Juleson, and this is my Savvy Living page. I am an independent distributor of Young Living products, Young Living essential oils, and all their products. I'd been with them for like 2 years, but I've all of a sudden have the fire in my belly, and I need to tell you some things because there's some nasty shit going on. All right. So apparently the FDA does not have to disclose big name brand cleaners, shampoos, conditioners, fragrances, anything for your pets, for children, even in clothing. Apparently they don't have to disclose any of the ingredients in fragrance. Okay, and you'll notice on the back of, well, stuff that does have actual ingredients on it. Some things don't have ingredients on it. I don't know how you get away with putting something on the market without letting people know what's in it, but apparently you can do that in the United States of America. And they don't legally have to put down what is in fragrance, the smell that you smell in any of it. It just says fragrance or parfum, okay? Apparently our country allows a lot more chemicals, toxic, harmful chemicals in our products than Europe or even China. Yet most of our products come from China. China has their own products that they sell there, which has less harmful chemicals in it. And the stuff with the harmful chemicals in it, they're sending here because we allow it and we sell it for you to put on your face, for you to rub on your babies, for you to put on your dog, for you to wash your clothes with, for you to take the scent out of your carpet with, all of it. Okay? So I'm cleaning house. I'm cleaning house. This makes me sick. And this is why I will use my handmade DIY essential oils with olive oil, coconut oil, vegetable oil, almond oil. I will make my own products. I will mix it with distilled water. I will mix it with witch hazel. I will make my own, okay? I hid the name because I'm not going to call out. But if you recognize this, stop buying it, right? So this is deep conditioner for your curls. Sorry, my phone. Deep conditioner for your curls with coconut and Australian jojoba oil. Paraben free. Oh my God, it's so healthy, right? All right, so you look, and it's got water, alcohol. It's got all kinds of jojoba seed oil, coconut oil, some kind of acid, alcohol, and then it has fragrance. Fragrance itself, they do not have to disclose the man-made synthetic products that they put in the fragrance, okay? It could have up to 100 or more chemicals in it. They create the fragrance in a lab, all right? Full of carcinogens, full of things that can alter your genetics, interfere with your reproductive organs, your endocrine system, hormones, your thyroid. Guess what? Garbage. I'm not using it anymore. Here's another one. Extra Firm Mousse. Okay? And I'm not going to show you the brand name. All right? But let's look at our mousse. It lets you know it's highly flammable. Lets you know there's propane in it. There's propane in this. Water, formic acid. Oh, look, fragrance. Fragrance in this. Here's another one. Pretty packaging. Very pretty packaging. Our goal is a carbon footprint so small, it's like we weren't even there. We started our journey by loading our products with goodness and packing it in recycled bottles. Oh, they want to save water, so it rinses easier, infused with natural sourced oils and extracts. Oh my God, this is really good for you, right? Just love it. Shampoo. Okay, now let's look at the ingredients. It's got organic coconut oil in it. It's got rose oil in it. It's got, it's vegan. It's fast rinsing. No silicones, no parabens, no dyes, no guilt. Yeah. Let's look at the ingredients. Coconut oil, rose extract. Yeah. Sunflower seed oil. Fragrance. And in parentheses, parfum. Chemicals. Tossed. Here's another one. Volume boosting mousse. Vitamin infused. Vitamin infused. Let's see now. It's flammable. Do not use near the flame. Okay. Do not expose to heat. All right. Must be pretty volatile. Harmful or fatal if swallowed. Okay. All right. Yeah, I want to put that on my hair. Ingredients. Oh, look. Fragrance. And in parentheses, parfum. Trash. We're putting this shit on our kids. Ugh, makes me sick. You know, when I had a friend that came to my house and every time I did laundry, she's like, oh my God, you shouldn't use dryer sheets. They're toxic. They'll cause cancer. They'll make you sick. And I used to think she was an overreacting hippie freak, okay? No way the government would sell anything in the store that caused cancer. Because if I buy a pack of cigarettes, it says on the side, may cause cancer. Even your alcoholic beverage may cause health problems. I'm buying shampoo. That's not going to cause cancer. Wrong. Wrong, wrong. I'm pissed off. Look at Secret Weapon Touch-Up Cream. Eliminates frizz. Let's look at what's in here. Oh, it's got wheat, protein in it. All kinds of good things for your hair. And look, fragrance. Oh, and it's even got methylparaben in it and propylparaben in it. Garbage. Look at this, nourishing coconut oil. Coconut oil, what's more pure than coconut oil? Let's see, it's got water, coconut oil, some kind of an extract. I don't know what that is. Oh, and fragrance. Parfum. Fragrance. Don't need to tell you all the chemicals in the fragrance. That's tossed. Here we go. Moisturizer. Moisturizer. Let's see what's in here. Oh, look. Fragrance. Garbage. Here's another one. Apricot scrub. Leave skin looking smooth, radiant, and healthy looking. Healthy looking. Sure, it does. It's got fruit. Oh, it's got apricot extract in it. It's got some kind of meal in it. It's got alcohol in it, walnut shell powder in it, glycerin in it, and look, fragrance, parfum. Garbage. Furniture polish with lemon scent. Okay? This particular product, and I'm not going to say where I got it, this doesn't even list any ingredients in it. And they can get away with it. This product is to make my carpet and my curtains and everything smell fresher. Okay? Everything smell fresher. Safe on fabrics. Sure it is. If breathing is affected, move to fresh air. Okay. Keep out of reach of children. Okay. Oh, look. It's got fragrance in it. Garbage. Here we go. Sheer volume dry shampoo. Sick of washing my hair every day. Let's put some dry shampoo in it. All right, let's see. It's got silica, tapioca starch, propane. It's got propane in it. Oh, and look, it's got fragrance / perfume in it. Garbage. Here's another furniture polish. Here's another furniture polish. Once again, it explains keeping dry, cool place, blah, 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 blah. Let's look at the ingredients. Does it even have ingredients? No. Doesn't even have the ingredients in it. No ingredients. I don't trust it. Sorry. Look at this. Twilight Mist. Twilight Mist. Inexpensive perfume that you can put on. And let's look and see. Oh, it's flammable. Do not spray in your eyes, of course. Perfume. Of course it's got perfume and fragrance in it, but it doesn't list what it is. That's garbage too. I'm sorry. All of it, garbage. And I don't have any other cleaners because I opted for the Thieves Cleaner. And you can dilute this depending on how strong you want it. And make your own. Grease, cutter, cleaner. I use the Thieves laundry detergent. I use the Thieves dish soap. I use the Thieves toothpaste. I use the Thieves foaming disinfectant hand soap. I use the waterless hand purifier Thieves. Okay, let's see what Thieves has in it, shall we? It has got clove oil, citrus lemon peel oil. It has got cinnamon bark oil. It has got rosemary leaf oil in it. Eucalyptus radiata leaf oil in it. Water. That's what you have. Okay? What you're smelling is the actual spice, the actual essence of the plant itself. Nothing in this is going to cause cancer, or it's not going to destroy my genetics or my hormonal balance, okay? People, you gotta wise up. It's found in clothing. They're spraying it in the malls, outside the stores that your teenagers, that your kids shop in. They're inhaling all of this stuff, and it is killing them. Breast cancer is like 1 out of 8 or even more or even less nowadays, 30 years later. 30 years ago, it was like 1 in 50 a woman had breast cancer. There's more cancers at a younger age, and it's all from the shit that they put, that we buy. We live in the United States of America. We have freedom to say no. We have freedom to make our own stuff. We don't need to buy this stuff, okay? You need to wake up and watch that documentary. That it's called Stink, and it's on Netflix. It's kind of, you know, you got to pay attention because it kind of drags on here and there, but it's like an hour. It's a little over an hour, and just watch it. You will be amazed. You will be amazed at the stuff that goes in our products that the FDA allows. And you're trusting that stuff. You're not going to trust a jar of bergamot or frankincense because it's not FDA approved. It's not been proven by the FDA. But you're going to go buy something on the shelf that the FDA is not telling you causes cancer. All right? Da-da-da. We're programmed. We're programmed all wrong. We need to reprogram ourselves. I am diligent about this. And if you want more information, message me. I will send it to you. And watch this documentary. It's called Stink. It's on Netflix. Watch it, watch it, watch it. All right? I'm done ranting. I'm pissed off. Talk to you later. Goodbye.